Welcome back to my channel. Spring is here, and it's the perfect time to turn our attention back to our homes and give them a fresh start. In this video, I'm sharing a 14-day spring cleaning and decorating series, focusing on one space at a time with simple, manageable steps that help bring a sense of order and brightness to each room. We'll work through the home together, from entryways and living areas to kitchens, bedrooms, and outdoor spaces, focusing on small updates that can make a noticeable difference. You don't need to tackle everything in a single day. A few minutes here and there can gradually refresh your home, making each space more open, more organized, and ready for the season. So wherever you're starting from, I hope this inspires you and that you can enjoy the process of refreshing your home for spring. Let's begin. As the days grow longer and the light begins to shift, many of us feel ready to welcome a new season at home. Spring is a natural time to pause, look around, and gently refresh the spaces we use every day. Before we begin cleaning or decorating, it helps to start with a simple reset. Open a few windows and let fresh air move through the house. Walk from room to room and notice the surfaces, the corners, and the small areas that may have collected clutter over the winter months. Today isn't about doing everything at once. Instead, this is a moment to prepare your home for the days ahead. Gather a few basic supplies, clear a small area, and think about the rooms you would most like to refresh this season. Over the next 14 days, we'll move through the house together, focusing on one space at a time. With a few thoughtful changes each day, your home can begin to feel lighter, brighter, and ready for spring. The entryway is one of the hardest working spaces in a home. It quietly collects coats, bags, shoes, and everyday items as we move in and out throughout the day. Today, let's give this small space a thoughtful reset. Start by clearing the surfaces. Remove anything that's accumulated over time and wipe down the table, shelf, or console so the area is clean and refreshed. Next, take a look at what actually belongs here. A small basket for keys, a tray for mail, and a place for shoes can help keep the space organized without feeling crowded. Finally, add one simple seasonal touch. A small vase of fresh flowers, a bowl of greenery, or a soft spring wreath nearby can bring a welcoming feeling the moment you walk through the door. When the entryway is clean, calm, and organized, your home becomes more welcoming. The living room is where many of us spend the most time, so it's natural for surfaces to slowly collect everyday items. Coffee tables, side tables, and consoles often become resting places for books, remotes, mail, and general clutter. A quick and easy refresh will make this room feel bright and open again. Start by removing everything from the coffee table and nearby side tables. Once the surfaces are clear, take a moment to dust and wipe them down so they're clean and ready to style again. Next, return just the items that belong in the space. A favorite book, a decorative tray, and a simple vase of fresh flowers create a beautiful focal point without making the table feel crowded. These small changes make the living room feel lighter, more peaceful, and ready to enjoy throughout the season. As winter turns to spring, one of the simplest ways to refresh a living room or bedroom is by updating the textiles we use every day. Throw pillows and blankets naturally collect dust and wear over the winter months, so this is a good time to give them a fresh start. Begin by removing the pillow covers and blankets and checking the care labels. Many covers can be washed and dried at home, which instantly brings them back to life. As you return to the room, replace the heavy textiles with lighter fabrics and softer colors that reflect the feeling of spring. Linen, cotton, and gentle neutral tones can help a space feel bright and relaxed. Even this small update will make the entire room feel renewed and ready for the season ahead. The dining table is one of the central gathering places in a home, but during busy weeks, it can easily become a place where everyday items begin to collect. Today is a good time to clear the table completely and give it a fresh start. Remove anything that doesn't belong there and take a few minutes to wipe down the entire surface, including the edges and the chair backs. A clean table immediately makes the room feel fresh and inviting. Once the table is clear, add a simple centerpiece that reflects the season. A small vase of fresh flowers, a bowl of fruit, or a cluster of candles can create a beautiful focal point without taking up too much space. A thoughtfully styled table brings a sense of calm to the room and makes everyday meals feel just a little more special. Kitchen countertops are a natural drop zone for everyone, so it's natural for them to collect several small appliances, cooking tools, and everyday items over time. Today we're going to clear the counters and create a fresh foundation for the kitchen. Start by removing everything from the countertops so you can clean the entire surface thoroughly. Wipe down the counters, backsplash, and the areas around the sink and stove. Once everything is clean, return only the items you use regularly. A coffee maker, a utensil holder, or a wooden cutting board may belong on the counter, while other items can be stored away. To finish the space, add a decorative touch, such as a bowl of lemons or a small pot of fresh herbs. A clear countertop makes the entire kitchen brighter. After clearing the countertops, the next step in refreshing the kitchen is to take a look inside the cabinets and at your open shelves. Over time, it's easy for extra dishes, glassware, or pantry items to build up without us even noticing. Today is a good opportunity to quickly review these spaces. Start by choosing one cabinet or shelf at a time and removing the items so you can see everything clearly. Wipe the shelves and then return only the pieces you use regularly or really love. Grouping similar items can make the cabinets easier to navigate and keep them tidy. If you have open shelving, keep the display simple with a few neatly stacked dishes, glass jars, or a small plant. Even a quick cabinet refresh makes the kitchen more organized and ready for everyday cooking. The bedroom is one of the most personal spaces in a home, and refreshing it for spring can make a meaningful difference in how the room feels each day. Start by removing the bedding and giving the sheets, pillowcases, and duvet cover a fresh wash. Clean bedding instantly changes the atmosphere of a room. While the bed is cleared, take a moment to vacuum or sweep underneath and around the bed frame. This often overlooked area can collect dust during the winter months. Once the bed is made again, keep the styling simple. A crisp duvet, a few pillows, and a light throw can create a calm and comfortable look. You might also add one small seasonal detail nearby, such as a vase of flowers or a small plant on the nightstand. A refreshed bedroom creates a quiet place to rest and recharge at the end of the day. Today, we're stepping into the closet to prepare our wardrobe for the new season. As winter comes to an end, many closets are still filled with heavier sweaters, coats, and colder weather clothing. Taking a little time to edit and organize the space can make getting dressed each day much easier. Start by removing a few winter pieces that you don't need right now, and place them in storage bins or garment bags. Next, group the clothing you'll be wearing this season so it's easy to see and reach. Lighter fabrics, spring jackets, and everyday essentials can move to the front of the closet. Finally, take a moment to straighten hangers, fold shelves neatly, and clear the closet floor. A well-organized closet makes daily routines easier and creates calm and clarity in the space. Today, we're focusing on the bathroom, one of the most frequently used rooms in the home. Because it's used throughout the day, surfaces such as the sink, mirror, and countertops can quickly accumulate water spots, personal items, and everyday clutter. Start by clearing the countertop completely so you can wipe down the sink, faucet, and surrounding surfaces. Cleaning the mirror and fixtures can also make the room feel noticeably brighter. Next, return only the essentials: a hand soap, a toothbrush holder, maybe a small tray for daily items. To finish the space, bring in a fresh set of towels and add a decorative detail, like a plant or a small vase of flowers. A clean, refreshed bathroom creates a pleasant start to the day. Today, we're turning our attention to the windows, which, obviously, have a big impact on how bright a room looks throughout the day. Over time, glass, window frames, and nearby sills can collect dust and fingerprints that reduce the amount of natural light entering the room. Start by wiping down the inside window glass and dusting the frames and sills. Even a quick cleaning can noticeably improve the clarity of the light coming into the space. Next, take a look at the curtains or shades. Vacuuming fabric curtains with a brush attachment or sending heavier drapes out for dry cleaning can remove built-up dust and keep the fabrics looking fresh. Clean windows and well-maintained window treatments allow natural light to move more freely through the room, making the space look bright and refreshed. Today, we're bringing a touch of spring indoors with plants and fresh flowers. After the main cleaning tasks are finished, adding a little greenery is one of the simplest ways to update a room for the new season. Start by taking a look at the houseplants you already have. Remove any dry leaves, wipe dust from the larger leaves, and give each plant a quick watering if it needs it. Next, consider placing 1 or 2 plants where they'll receive good natural light, such as near a window, on a kitchen counter, or on a living room side table. Fresh flowers are another beautiful seasonal detail. A small arrangement on a coffee table, dining table, or entryway console can instantly brighten the space. Just a few plants or flowers can bring natural color and life into your home as spring begins. Today, we're stepping outside. After focusing on the interior spaces of your home, it's time to step outside and refresh the entryway or porch. Start by sweeping the porch or entryway to remove dust, leaves, and winter debris. Wipe down the front door, outdoor light fixtures, and any nearby surfaces. Next, take a look at the porch, furniture, or seating area. A quick cleaning of chairs, benches, or small tables can make the space look neat and ready for the new season. Finally, add a few simple seasonal touches such as a potted plant, a small grouping of flowers, and a fresh doormat. A clean and refreshed entry porch creates a pleasant first impression each time you come home. Over the past 2 weeks, you've worked through many different spaces in the home, from bedrooms and kitchens to entryways and outdoor areas. For today's final step, take a few minutes to walk through your home and notice the small improvements you've made along the way. Surfaces are clearer, rooms are brighter, and many spaces have been refreshed for the new season. If there are any small tasks left unfinished, this is a good time to take care of them. Straighten a table, return an item to its place, or add a simple seasonal detail. Spring cleaning and decorating don't have to happen all at once. Small steps over time can make a noticeable difference throughout your home. As we finish this 14-day journey, I hope you can see just how much can change with a little time and attention each day. Room by room, these small efforts add up, creating a home that looks brighter, more organized, and ready for the season ahead. As you move through the days to come, you can always return to any of these steps whenever a space needs a quick reset. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope this series has brought you a bit of inspiration when caring for your home. And if you enjoyed this video, I'd love for you to subscribe and join me for more simple decorating ideas throughout the year. See you soon.